legislatures the opportunity to debate these things, we are deciding this is the law that we will live by. And that's that. No opportunity for a corrupt government to rewrite all this, to water it down, to absolve themselves for the crimes against us. 1C1. Shall existing branches of government fail to enact this past Declaration of Rights and Means to mathematically perfected economy and absolute consensual representation by December 21st, 2012, then from that day forward, the entire body of government shall be in breach of power, shall be removed from office, shall be null and void, shall be liable for consequences, and shall be stripped of all benefits and ostensible entitlement of their former offices. 1C1A. It shall thereupon be the immediate obligation of the military or the police to arrest the existing government and to hold immediate elections to install a new, compliant government. 1C2. All government opposition or delinquents to this act from the date of the first signature, if ultimately passed by such a majority of the people, shall be treason. 1C3. Citizens who have refused to support this act shall of their own volition be denied all reparation and benefits of this transformation to mathematically perfected economy, and shall be liable for all consequences of the imposed pretended economy to the extent they have permitted and are therefore responsible, unless they can disprove the integral solution of mathematically perfected economy, or unless they can prove alternate solution, and that ostensible solution is adopted in the stead of mathematically perfected economy. 1C4. From the moment of signature, nonetheless, all petitioners, however long in potential minority, claim and are hereby endowed with these rights and means to mathematically perfected economy and absolute consensual representation. 2. From the moment of a person's declaration of these rights, any severe criminal transgression of this act against that person shall be treason. So this is the conclusion of our mandate. Obviously, we cannot wait or hope for usurped government to provide real solution. Obviously, this factive solution has existed for 40 years and they have refused this. So we know this because by intent, usurped government has proven that it does not serve us. We have no hope whatsoever, therefore, in anything but such a comprehensive, sweeping mandate for mathematically perfected economy and absolute consensual representation. But so, claiming these rights to mathematically perfected economy and absolute consensual representation, by signing this mandate, we can protect ourselves from foreclosure, for instance, by submitting affidavits to our sheriffs, to our courts, and to our district attorneys that we intend to assert our rights to mathematically perfected economy and absolute consensual representation, effective from the moment of our signature, that we may resolve our purported debts to the banking system by paying off not only our mortgages, but even taxes descending from artificial indebtedness, by exercising at least the like right, which cannot ever rightly be exclusive to some private individuals, to issue like, irredeemable promises to pay, and to challenge the purported legal authority of the purported banking system by so paying our purported debts to the banking systems which have been imposed upon the world. By so doing, and only by so doing, can we the people avert not only the present artificial global monetary failure, only by so doing can we avert the vast further injustices of the imposed systems of exploitation. Thank you for listening. It's been an honor to speak to you again on mathematically perfected economy and absolute consensual representation.
When redemption is done, so won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever hear is redemption songs.